Good morning all of you. How are you? Fine? Okay. Now today our topic is chapter 6, this chapter, addition and subtraction of bigger numbers. ठीक है? We will solve exercise 6.1 on a book. You will solve this exercise on a book. Okay? Now exercise 6.1, here I solved first question here. Our statement is add. Now 45 plus 32. You have to add 45 and 32. Under 1 we have 5, under 5 and 2. Firstly we will add this ones column. इसको add करना है. ठीक है? 5 plus 2 is 7. Now then we add this tens column. 4 plus 3 is 7. So our answer is 77. Now third question is 50 plus 70. Now this one is our ones place, this one is our tens place. Okay, now firstly add ones column. 0 plus 0, 0 में 0 plus करना है. 0 में 0 plus करना है means 0 plus 0 is कुछ भी नहीं plus करना. क्या आ गया? 0 plus 0 is 0 and 5 plus 7 is 12. So you will write here 12. Okay. Now we have done question first and third, second do yourself, and fourth you do yourself, and fifth sum how we solve it. 72 plus 75. Write down places, ones, tens. ठीक है? Firstly add this ones column. 5 plus 2 is 7. 7 plus 7 is 14. Okay, then you will solve this sum yourself, this sum also, this sum also. Now solve this sum. 4 plus 4 is, firstly write down places, ones, tens. Add ones column. 4 plus 4 is 8. Then add tens column. 7 plus 3 is 10. Okay. Now this sum you do yourself. Now 13 sum. 5 plus 1 is 6. 9 plus 6 is 15. These sums you will do yourself. This is our exercise 6.1. You will solve on your book. Now exercise 6.2. We will solve exercise 6.2. Our question is regroup and add. Regroup करना है and add करना है. Regroup means इसमें ना हमारे पास carry वाले sum होंगे. Now first we have this sum 64 plus 78. Write down places on it. This one is our ones place, this one is our tens place. Firstly solve this ones column. 8 plus 4. 8 plus 4 is what we get? 12. 12 is your 2-digit number. Then we get 2-digit number. Then we will take a carry to the next column. तो जब हमारे पास 2-digit number आता है तो हम क्या करते हैं? Carry करते हैं next column को. Here we will write this one, this last digit we will write under ones column, and this one will be carry here. यहाँ पे carry चला है. ठीक है? Now add this tens column. 7 plus 6 is 13. 13 में 1 plus किया, what we get? 40. So our answer is 142. Now second sum do yourself, and we will solve third sum. 68 plus 39. This one is ones column, this one is tens column. 9 plus 8 is 70. ठीक है? 17 is our 2-digit number, so we will take a carry to the next column, and this 7 we will write under this ones column. Okay, and this one will be carried to the tens column. 6 plus 3 is 9. 6 plus 3 is 9. 9 plus 1 is 10. So our answer is 107. Now fourth sum you will do yourself, and fifth sum is write down places on it. 9 ones, tens. 9 plus 9 is 18. 18 is our 2-digit number, so we will write here 8, and this one will be carry here. 9 plus 2 11. 11 plus 1 is 12. This is our answer. Do these sums yourself. Now 8th question. 7 plus 6 is, firstly write down the places. Ones, tens. Add this one. 7 plus 6 is 13. You will write this 3 here, and this one will be to carry. 8 plus 1 is 9. 9 plus 1 is 10. This is our answer. 9 sum do yourself. Now 10 sum. 9 plus 2 is 11. 1 is here, and this one will be carry. ठीक है? ये यहाँ पे carry हो गया. 8 plus 5 is 13. 13 plus 1 is 14. 11 sum, 9 plus 1 is 10, 0 is carry, write down the places, ठीक है. 31 plus 69, ठीक है. 9 plus 1 is 10, 0 we will write under this ones and 1 will be carry to this one. 6 plus 3 is 9, 9 plus 1 is 10. So this is our answer. 12 sum, do yourself. Now exercise 6.3 add करना है हमें, ठीक है. Now we will in this exercise we are going to learn how we done addition of 3 digits, ठीक है. Now this one is our ones place, this one is our tens place, and this one is on our 100 place. Now firstly we will solve this ones place. 6 plus 2 is 8, so we will write here 8. 4 plus 0 is 4, so we will write here 4, and 2 plus 1 is 3, so we will write here 3. This is your answer. Now second sum, do yourself. Third sum is write down the firstly places, ones, tens, 100. 9 plus 0 is 9, 7 plus 2 is 9, 6 plus 1 is 7. This is your answer. Now these sums do yourself, and fifth sum is 6 plus 3. Firstly write down the place, ones, tens, 100. 6 plus 3 is 9, 7 plus 1 is 8, 5 plus 4 is 9. ठीक है. These sums do yourself. Now 8 sum, 8 plus 0 is 8, 6 plus 3 is 9, 7 plus 1 is 8. 9 sum, do yourself. Now 10 sum. Here we have a 3 numbers. First number is this, second number is this, third number is this. Now firstly we will write down places, ठीक है. Now add this ones column. 8 plus, देखो 0 plus 8 is 8, 8 plus 1 is 9, so we will write here 9. Then 7 plus 0 is 7, 7 plus 1 is 8, and 6 plus 3 is 9. यहाँ पे कुछ नहीं है, मीन्स यहाँ पे क्या है, 0, ठीक है. And this sum do yourself. And 12th sum is write down places, ones, tens, 100. Firstly solve this ones column. 0 plus 8 is 8, 8 plus 1 is 9. Then 0 plus 5 is 5, 5 plus 3 is 8. And here is nothing, so you will write here 0. 6 plus 1 is 7, 7 plus 0 is 7. This is your